Welcome back to Hundreds of Tools. Each telescoping ladder in this video will offer different options depending on which specific functions like height and safety meet your needs and or pocket best. Our specialist team analysed a wide range of ladders and made these recommendations based on different factors including product features, independent research and customer reviews. Check out the description below for links, info and the latest prices. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay up to date with the best tools, equipment and accessories out there. So let's get started. The telescoping ladder coming in first is the Ohuhu telescoping ladder. This heavy duty telescoping extension ladder is durable, versatile and very portable. Being made from an aluminium alloy, it is also lightweight, not bulky or cumbersome, so perfect for jobs in the workshop or home. It is strong and safe with a workload of 250 pounds, and with the extension mechanism the height can quickly be lifted with minimum effort to a 12.5 foot reach, which is held in place securely with locking pins that prevent sliding. This telescoping ladder has non-slip caps to hold the base in place, and it is easy to carry with a heavy duty carrying strap that makes sure the ladder stays closed when not in use or being carried around. Next on our list of recommendations is the Yvan telescoping ladder. This extension ladder is made from aluminium alloy with an oxidized surface for durability, yet it is lightweight, being easy to carry, and heavy duty with a weight capacity of up to 330 pounds. Being convenient, compact and portable, it is so much easier than carrying a heavy old-fashioned ladder around, so perfect for saving space on a road trip in your car or RV, installing a camera or repairing a roof. The Yvan telescoping ladder is easy and safe to use by simply pressing the thumb buttons, and there is a locking mechanism on each rung for safety, so you can adjust the height for the job at hand. The telescoping ladder coming up now is the ARCHOM ladder telescopic extension. This durable, multi-purpose aluminium alloy ladder is waterproof and corrosion resistant, so perfect for any commercial or DIY demanding tasks, as it has a height range from 30 inches to 13.5 feet. It has non-slip foot covers that are wear resistant and firmly increase stability even with a 330 pound load capacity, and with a heavy duty closure strap this professional ladder can be taken anywhere in your garage or trunk. The ARCHOM ladder telescopic extension has extension and retraction slide latches, which means you can adjust the height 1 foot at a time to reach the height you need with minimal effort. Moving on, next is the Bowoshen telescoping ladder. This brand of telescoping ladders is available in 6 different heights with inward side latches, so the height can be adjusted rung by rung, perfect for jobs around the garage or home. It has a 330 pound maximum load capacity, yet is portable and compact, weighing about 28.4 pounds, so easily and conveniently stored in the car trunk or under the stairs. The Bowoshen telescoping ladder is strong and tough, made from high quality stainless steel, and safety features include sturdy anti-slip rubber feet. The final telescoping ladder in this video is the BOWEITI telescoping extension ladder. This 12.5 foot telescoping ladder is one of 5 available at different heights. It's made from high quality aluminium alloy for durability and can extend to different heights to meet your needs using the independent locking system. This is a high quality and super easy to carry on the job with soft carrying handle, yet it is compact, so it takes up less space when being stored. The BOWEITI telescoping extension ladder is convenient for commercial or home use and has a maximum load of 330 pounds, plus it comes with a handy pair of work gloves and a carrying bag. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like and drop any helpful DIY tips in the comment section below. For more info or to buy the best one for you, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can keep in touch and updated with hundreds of tools.